Welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing the 5 best freestanding tub fillers of 2026, chosen for their design, durability, and functionality. Freestanding tub fillers add elegance and convenience to bathrooms, offering stylish finishes and practical features like hand showers and supply line packages. With options in polished nickel, brushed brass, matte black, and brushed nickel, Kingston Brass leads the way in delivering high-quality fixtures that complement clawfoot and freestanding tubs. These models combine timeless aesthetics with modern engineering, ensuring reliable water flow and long-lasting performance. Let's explore the top 5 freestanding tub fillers that bring luxury and practicality to your bathroom. Number 1. Kingston Brass CCK 226K6 Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet. The Kingston Brass CCK 226K6 Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet package is a polished nickel fixture designed for elegance and durability. Featuring a complete package with supply lines, it ensures easy installation and reliable performance. The freestanding design makes it ideal for clawfoot tubs, adding a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the polished nickel finish provides a timeless look that resists tarnish. Compact yet stylish, this faucet balances functionality with aesthetics. Kingston Brass delivers a premium option for homeowners seeking a reliable freestanding tub filler that enhances both style and convenience in their bathroom. Number 2. Kingston Brass KS 7018 RL Royale Tub Filler with Hand Shower. The Kingston Brass KS 7018 RL Royale Tub Filler combines functionality with modern style. Featuring a brushed nickel finish, it includes a hand shower for added convenience, making it versatile for bathing and cleaning. The freestanding design ensures compatibility with clawfoot and freestanding tubs, while durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Compact yet powerful, it balances elegance with practicality. Easy to install, this tub filler is praised for its reliability and stylish appeal. Kingston Brass delivers a strong option for homeowners seeking a freestanding tub filler that combines modern design, convenience, and durability in one package. Number 3. Kingston Brass CCK 246K7 Essex Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet. The Kingston Brass CCK 246K7 Essex Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet package is a brushed brass fixture designed for timeless elegance. Featuring supply lines for easy installation, it ensures reliable water flow and performance. The freestanding design makes it ideal for clawfoot tubs, adding a warm, classic touch to bathroom decor. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the brushed brass finish provides a sophisticated look that resists wear. Compact yet stylish, this faucet balances functionality with aesthetics. Kingston Brass delivers a premium option for homeowners seeking a freestanding tub filler that enhances both style and convenience with a traditional brass finish. Number 4. Kingston Brass CCK 226K7 Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet. The Kingston Brass CCK 226K7 Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet package offers brushed brass elegance with supply lines included for easy installation. While rated lower by users, it still provides reliable performance and a stylish design for clawfoot tubs. The freestanding construction ensures compatibility with classic bathroom setups, while the brass finish adds warmth and sophistication. Compact yet functional, it balances practicality with aesthetics. Kingston Brass delivers a dependable option for homeowners seeking a freestanding tub filler that combines traditional design with modern convenience, making it a practical choice for bathrooms with clawfoot or freestanding tubs. Number 5. Kingston Brass CCK 246K0 Essex Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet. The Kingston Brass CCK 246K0 Essex Freestanding Clawfoot Tub Faucet package is a bold matte black fixture designed for modern bathrooms. Featuring supply lines for easy installation, it ensures reliable performance and water flow. The freestanding design makes it ideal for clawfoot tubs, while the matte black finish adds a contemporary touch. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while the sleek design enhances bathroom aesthetics. Compact yet stylish, this faucet balances functionality with modern appeal. Kingston Brass delivers a strong option for homeowners seeking a freestanding tub filler that combines bold design, durability, and convenience in one package. That wraps up our list of the 5 best freestanding tub fillers of 2026. From polished nickel and brushed brass to bold matte black finishes, Kingston Brass offers a wide range of options to suit any bathroom style. Each model combines durability, elegance, and convenience, making them ideal for clawfoot and freestanding tubs. Whether you prefer timeless brass, sleek nickel, or modern black, these tub fillers deliver reliable performance and stylish appeal. Check the description for updated prices and details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and elevate your bathroom with luxury fixtures today.